In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms, compléments d'objet indirect. But more precisely, we will see lui. So let's see together what are les pronoms compléments d'objet indirect. And the first thing, they are used to replace nouns that refer to people or things that receive the action of the verb. This is really, really important. So let's agree on that. These nouns that they will replace will receive the action of the verb in the sentence. And the second thing that is extremely important, they are called indirect because they will replace nouns that are introduced by the preposition a. So these nouns that they will replace receive the action of the verb and are introduced by the preposition a. So this is what we call les pronoms compléments d'objet indirect. So this lesson is about lui, and the indirect object pronoun lui can be translated into various ways in English, such as to him, for him, to her, or for her. So in that case, this pronoun lui will be for the masculine and for the feminine. So let's have some examples. Je lui donne un livre pour son anniversaire. Je lui donne un livre pour son anniversaire. Pourquoi lui racontes-tu tous tes secrets? Pourquoi lui racontes-tu tous tes secrets? Le chat lui apporte souvent des cadeaux de l'extérieur. Le chat lui apporte souvent des cadeaux de l'extérieur. Elle lui écrit une lettre chaque semaine. Elle lui écrit une lettre chaque semaine.